Me first. Good luck. Stand by, main phase. Activate Wakashi in the scale.
Yep.
Wakashi effect.
Yep.
Well, does the scale first, technically. And then effect a big binky to search.
Yep.
Grab a super heavy samurai soul.
Phase and then standby. And then you may phase.
Norm some.
Yep.
Let's go link one.
You're good to move freely if you need to.
Effect of the piercer.
Yep.
Let's grab a motorbike, and then motorbike effect to search.
Lord have mercy. Chain ash blossom.
Yeah.
Chain ash blossom. Yep.
That's all I got.
Let's attempt Scarecrow pitching Gamma to the graveyard, targeting Piercer.
Yep. I think I lose. This thing can play through a single ash.
Oh, it's nothing.
Let's
If
go.
they start wagging, maybe they have a bad hand.
Chain link 1, chain link 2, chain link 3.
Yep.
Sure.
Scale itself, search. I'll bring back Gamma over here. What do I search when I get ashed here? Know the basic combo now, but I'm figuring out what I do when I get interrupt.
Did you already use it already?
We'll go with Peacemaker.
Then how did you add?
And then synchro these two.
Yep.
Put the Barone.
Barone floor.
That's when you summon.
I feel like if you don't have a turn skipping hand trap, it does nothing.
Effect to equip, and then effect to summon a guy from deck.
Yeah.
I'll summon a Scales.
Yep.
Scales effect targeting Piercer to bring it back.
Yep.
Let's go Link, Scales, and Piercer. Just thinking real quick.
You're good. It's an
So you can go back in there and let it go.
Yeah, we'll go Ballista. Chain link 1 Ballista, chain link 2 Piercer.
Yep.
Off Piercer, we will grab ourselves Stealthy,
So I can only target this.
and then
right?
Ballista, and then Ancient Gearbox effect.
So I can only target this, and you can send a copy of the effect. We're good.
I'll grab the card that hasn't kept itself out of my hand tonight, Tunneler.
That's fair.
And then since I control no spell traps, I'll special Stealthy. Then I'll link these two
Thank you.
for Genius.
Yep.
Then we will perform a Pendulum Shoken
The brave one, right?
Pendulum choker.
Read this card. It's probably
of just 2.
Yep.
And then effect search.
Yep.
We'll go ahead and grab ourselves a copy of Regulus.
still in draw.
Regulus effect target Piercer in my graveyard.
Yep.
Let's go Baron effect target the Piercer, and then Piercer effect to search.
Yep.
I think we're just grabbing follow up here. Not a whole lot else to do.
Basically, it can be just
Because I can summon
have
that.
battle this turn. And then I'm going to take 2 special.
I'll just add the motorbike.
Monster from mine.
And then we'll link these 3 away for a Bow of the Goddess with 3 materials.
1, 3.
That's the beginning.
Yep. And then we will activate that Tunneler to shuffle some stuff back. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4,
Special
5.
a purely monster out
Target
of
these 5. 2 Pot of Avarice.
Can Ash.
Free draw 2 cards. How many cards are you getting? 6 when this turns over?
Yep.
Okay.
Assuming we don't draw anything wild we want to do some stuff with.
That's fair.
Whole lot of nothing. 6 cards, go ahead.
Stand by
Draw
main.
for turn.
Yep.
Stand by.
Yep.
Main.
Yep.
Tip tech.
Activating Small World. I don't want you to add like a lava golem or some shit, so we're gonna ash that.
Reveal 3 purely cards from your deck, and then you choose one random, and then I add.
3
So anything there? Pay the 500.
Target Regulus.
Yeah.
Tempo.
Thinking what to add.
Yep.
I mean, I revealed 3, so I'm just gonna take 1. You know it's gonna be. I don't have to
Tempo.
show what I take, but I'm revealing 3, so I guarantee to get.
You got it.
I had Droll Veiler and a Kaiju.
I was like, I had the double ash. I said, oh, I'll take lead.
Alrighty, good luck.
Stand by.
Yep.
Fingers.
Yep. Yep.
Anything on rest?
And what is
Okay.
Nope.
That's the Great Keeper, and then that's the.
Thinking.
We both gain 1,000. And then I'm attempting to switch.
Oh, did I say it? It's
Yeah, so I was thinking about going for circular,
And then,
but I was like, either way, it's rough.
since I'm priority player, effect, and then if you response is to it.
Anything in your draw phase?
no, sir. Anti-spell me. Yes, sir.
Now watch me draw a spell. I'm gonna skip the game.
Jeez.
Please don't.
Alright, now we gotta think.
Is it good? Yeah. Would you like to cut before I escalate?
This one's actually interesting.
No, you're fine.
Let's go to the main phase here.
Yep.
And then effects 2x,
We're gonna normal summon the Wakahashi.
Yep.
Anything on summon?
Nope.
Let's attempt to activate Wakahashi, pitching DD Crow.
Yep.
No response. Let me double check the wording on this real quick.
Because I targeted it with, yeah.
So it's the rest of the turn.
Effect to search a purely.
I'm going to attempt to chain Magnamut, target the Sigma.
Sigma.
Yep. Because I'm locked into super heavies for the rest of the turn now.
And effect
Oh wait, you can't change it. I don't control any monsters.
Maybe if
Good catch.
it's having. This has an effect to have the attack.
I'm always used to there being a heat soul over there on that board.
I swear.
So it's
I mean, the game is the. Oh, and you hit the DD Crow too, so I was like, we wasn't going too far.
Locked into super heavy.
So if you were to out one of my XYZ, I can add 3 different spells.
Can this activate under anti-spell?
3, and
Is it
then
place?
Place.
I think place plays around there. It's not actually activated.
Okay, yeah,
and then
that makes sense.
attack again. It gains
Let's
an additional
go Synchro
and then effective search.
for Saratobi.
I read Saratobi.
Yep. And I'll be on summon doing Chain Link 1 Soul Piercer, Chain Link 2 Wakahashi.
That's fine.
So scale this and then we'll search.
Attach.
We'll grab a
It just gains.
Bike.
It just goes like this and then gains it.
Jolt. That is good.
Effect to attack. Oh, you can do that. Yeah, because this gives it.
Let's
gives it
attempt to
additional-
activate Saratobi, target the unknown set. Yep.
And when you're column.
Yep. So no burn. Here's this. And I don't think he can attack while he's negated. I'm gonna assume he cannot. So go ahead.
Draw.
Yep.
Stand by.
Yep.
Make.
Yep.
Or 56.
Yep.
Normal song.
Yes.
Special summon. by shuffling back. Effect 2 half. So it's 100.
Nope.
Effect 2 attach.
Okay, so that's just an effect from this card to your hand. So you never actually.
Nah, this sucks.
What do you mean?
You never actually played.
Because you have a Vestal, you just like,
Yeah, because I accidentally showed it to you because I'm a bozo.
that's fair.
Given I should have just preemptively used it before I
And then did it that
activated the Wakahashi. Yeah.
way. Was it 28?
Yep.
That is not the way.
Effect on that phase.
I just hope I don't die. Go ahead. Anything on end phase? The diamond.
Yeah.
This is material, so you can't target it. You can't
Fact.
target it.
Yep.
I have no target in my
That's
deck.
why I was asking if you ever had Blade hand.
No, you
I will fail to find.
targeting it wouldn't affect it from being.
Memphis.
Yep. Because I was thinking, I was like,
Yes,
maybe
yeah.
I could just. Oh.
No, I mean you can.
I don't want
you
him to get
can-
banished.
You can pop it.
Played a different.
Yeah, you can't go splash mage, so there's not really a play.
300 plus
Yep.
defense for each material attached to it.
So this is kind of cool. Effect target.
What the what? Yeah.
It's MST, and then you take 500. And then Soul Piercer effect.
Yeah, that's fine.
Whatever it takes.
Hey, so I don't need spells now at this point.
Bike effect to search.
Yep, no response. I think we just died.
Yeah.
Beat over everything, right?
Normal summon.
Yep.
Effect to switch to defense. Effect to switch to attack and search.
To attach.
Yeah, because you don't need spells now that you have a million monsters.
So it's at 35 attack. Yours will be at 0.
Does this guy also activate, or is he place?
No, it's getting additional for every material.
You can place one super heavy samurai in your other scale.
It doesn't do it. It does, yeah.
It stops me from using it from my hand. That's it,
Yeah,
pretty
it's like,
much.
nice. And then you have other monsters go.
As long as we're not bozos. I'm sure YouTube will tell us if we are, but
Yeah, because I remember what deck
Yes,
played
no, that's
Pendulums, because it plays because it's not actually being activated.
yeah, it's good versus regular pendulum, but
Yes.
effect to scale itself again.
Yep. Oh my lord. Just looking at this anti-spell 2-0 in his midst.
I don't know. Drew us a random Veiler in your graveyard. Battle phase.
Yep.
Let's see if this kills you. 22.
It is 8.
And then this.
53. Was it 2000?
Yeah.
Ooh, I don't.
2000.
Yeah, I don't.
I'm at 33.
400.
My lord. 29.
This guy's 25, so that's what, 17?
12. How much is that?
28, so you take 2.
God damn it. Good enough. No, it wouldn't have to. This can't be short battle, so it's literally just a punching bag.